Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Trailblazer headlight. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver or a small pry bar, and of course, your new headlight bulb. For safety, it's always a good idea to wear gloves and safety glasses. Having the right bulb, such as a 9006 for a low beam, is crucial for a successful replacement. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. Next, you will need to carefully remove the front grille. It's usually held by several clips that you can gently pry out with your tool. Once the grille is off, unfasten the two retaining pins or bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. With these removed, you can gently pull the entire headlight unit straight forward to gain access to the bulbs. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb about 90 degrees counterclockwise to release it from its housing and pull it out. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into position. Almost done, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to your new bulb. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting location, ensuring it's seated correctly, and secure it with the two retaining pins or bolts. Finally, reattach the front grille, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beam headlights to confirm they are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.